Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Nonye and I'm a Nigerian teacher. I live and work in Lagos, Nigeria. In the last 20 years, I've helped hundreds of children learn using different strategies in the classroom. I've also worked with parents and teachers to guide them using tips and tricks and strategies that they can use to help their children learn at home and in school. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, expect videos on tips, tricks, strategies that you can adopt that I've used over the last 20 years to help my children learn. I'm also going to be sharing some of the strategies that you can use to help your children do their homework. I'm going to help teachers also by walking you through some of the apps that I use in teaching and learning that has made teaching very seamless for me. I'm also going to be sharing some of the strategies that I use in the classroom to maintain a very seamless, healthy, and well-organized classroom. I'm also going to be sharing extra news, juicy information, and extra freebies. So this channel promises to entertain you, inform you, and educate you. Expect uploads every Wednesdays and Saturdays at 4 p.m. Do well to hit the subscribe button and make sure you have the post notification bell turned on. That way you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for finding time to watch this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.